Oh, 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 he's still on. There we go. Oh my days, what am I? Oh, what? See that? I just got snipped. There we go. Nice little flatty. Great size flatty here. But yeah, there we have it. Oh, that's a good fish. Just look at that. Literally can see fish right there. Welcome back, guys. Look, it's literally school of whiting or something, mullet maybe, right there. But welcome back, guys, for another video. Absolutely pristine morning, and we're here to fish this bay here. Going for broom, flatties, maybe even a little jewie, or maybe even a big jewie. But yeah, big flatty hole there. But yeah, we're coming out today, and wind's meant to pick up a little bit in the arvo, or maybe around midday. But we're here now, that's all that matters, and the conditions are absolutely pristine. So we're just gonna paddle our way out to the grounds we want to fish and see if we can hook on to a nice fish. Alright, so just gonna drift in the middle for a little bit. Just gonna get out a little shimmer vibe. Where is he? Here we go. Look. Gonna use this little vibe for a little bit. See if we can't get anything on him. Chuck this little vibe on. Apply a little bit of scent on him. Yeah, we're dropping down. It's not too deep here. So giving the little vibe a try. Haven't got too much on it, haven't got anything on it, not even a hit. So gonna change up to the bait junkie flick prawn, bait junkie flick, and yeah, see if we can get anything on the flick. Last time I was here I hooked onto a jewie on this, so hopefully we can see if we can get. So what we're going to do with this, just going to let it sink all the way down to the bottom, then a couple flicks, let it sink back down, a couple flicks, let it sink back down, and yeah, doing this we should at least get a hit. If we don't get anything on this, we'll probably change spots, maybe go for broom, something, but yeah. So I've just hooked up, literally second cast with this, and we've already hooked on. We've got a nice little dusky flathead that could actually be a keeper. That's actually a really nice little dusky flathead. Alright, we'll let him chill there. But that's actually really nice, good looking dusky flathead right here. We love to see it. He hit that flick prawn. He hit that flick prawn pretty hard. But yeah, that's our dusky flathead here. Perfect eating size actually. So we might keep this one. And yeah, pretty happy with that. Second cast with the flick prawn. Right. Get a little hold up of him. So I have it. stop moving. Nice little dusky flathead here. He's still measuring him, and he's legal. He's 40, over 41. So yeah, nice little dusky flathead here. First fish of the day. We'll keep this little guy, and yeah, it's pretty good. Really happy with that. Solid little fish. Nice fight on him. We'll dispatch of him, and we'll try and get some more. Phew. First cast, I got a little flatty. Hook onto another flathead, and we literally had another hit. Like a hit as soon as it dropped, and then we're on again. So that's another little flathead. This one feels a little bit bigger. Oh, it's not a flathead, it's a little snapper. It's actually a solid little snapper. Land him. Everything's eating this prawn today. GoPro, stop recording. Damn, oh, I wasn't filming. Oops. Wasn't filming then, accidentally. But, hooked onto this little snapper. Nice little snapper he is, actually. It's literally the exact cast after we caught that little flatty. There's a little snapper. Get a release on him. There he goes. Literally the exact cast after we caught that flatty. And I wasn't filming, but I reckon there'll be a lot more fish to come that I will be able to film, so let's go. Well, that's literally cast after, and yeah, let's go. See if we can... So what we're just doing that little flick off the bottom. Yeah, it seems to be doing pretty good. So I reckon as soon as we reapply this scent, we'll get some more fish on it. We just got this little prawn on a 1/6 jig head, and I actually cut the little prawn down a tad, just to, because when I first rigged it up ages ago, when I was using it, the hook was too small, so I just had to cut it off a little bit, and it still works fine. So whenever you're fishing and your jig head's too small, always just do that. You can just cut a bit of the head off the plastic a little bit, and then you can just chuck them on like a normal plastic. Flatty? Oh, I just had one smash it right here. How did I not hook on then? That was a decent fish too. Look, he full on took the prawn all the way down. That was a decent fish. Damn. Try and get another cast. Oh my days, I just dropped another solid one. Fuck. That was another solid fish. That would have been the biggest of the day, I reckon. Oh, that was a good fish. Damn, I can cast it back out there because same sort of area, we've had some good hits. Damn it, that was a good fish. That we just had some good hits too, and we didn't hook any of them. That sucks so much. Right, we'll just put a bit more scent on. We'll cast him out at the. So we changed spots. We came a bit closer in to the drop off, and yeah, see if this spot will provide a bit more. Mate's already got a bit bigger flatty from what we're getting over there. But yeah. This is one of my favourite lures for flatties, especially in these sort of environments where it's a bit darker water. Just loading that prawn up with scent. I've caught so many good flatties on this lure, so many little dewies on this lure. And yeah, it's such a nice lure. Just on like a little 1/6 jig head or 1/4. Oh. Drag was way too loose then. Why was it so loose? Just dropped a little flatty then. Oh, he's still on. There we go. Oh my days, what am I doing? My drag is way too loose. I'm such an idiot. I just wasn't hooking up, so I loosened my drag a heap. That felt like a solid flatty then too. That's the third like decent fish I've lost. Oh, that's a good fish. Just hooked on. GoPro, start recording. Just hooked on to another flatty. Oh, he's not even that big. He's tiny. He smacked that. Oh, and he's going all spaz. I thought he was an actual decent fish, but it's a tiny flatty. And he smacked that plastic. There he is, tiny little flatty on the prawn. It's another little flatty. That's sick. But yeah, he smacked that lure. Get the hook out of him. Nice little flatty. That's sick as. Let him go, he'll be heaps green, he'll go off. Beautiful. But yeah, another little flatty. I thought he was gonna be like 40s or something, but he was like not even 30. For his size, he fought so well. That's sick as. This S-Factor scent is a must-have. You have to have it. It is so good. The amount of fish I have caught on it that usually, if I didn't have scent, I wouldn't have caught, is actually crazy. It is such. Oh, what? Oh, what? What? Do you see that? I just got snipped. That was like nothing. That was solid too. That could have been a super solid tail or something else. Something toothy for sure. You see how easy I got snipped then? What the hell? I'm fuming. Well, have to retie. And yeah, definitely tying that lure back on. 100%. Okay, so just come all the way back over here. restarted our drift. What is this? Is this a fish? Yeah, it's a fish. It's a little flatty. Wasn't fighting at all. He was just coming in, letting me take him in, and then he only started fighting around the end. So he's gonna be very green when I bring him in. Oops. Stop going psycho. Nice little flatty. Beautiful colours on him. Get a release on him. Beautiful little flatty. Haven't caught anything for a while, so it's good to have that to catch something, because been a bit off lately, just like recently, not much around, so it's good to see that there's some more life around. Oh yeah. I don't know why, but my GoPro just stopped filming then. It's actually feels like a solid flatty. Yeah, that's a nice flatty. Definitely a nice little flatty. If I can get him in. Probably one of the better flatties of the day. There we go. Nice little flatty. Great size these are. Nice eating size. He'd just be legal, I reckon. Alright, we'll let him go. There he goes, straight off. No hesitation at all. But yeah, that's the first flatty in a while. I haven't caught too much. The wind picked up heaps. So yeah, it's not really getting us in trouble, but it's still very windy, and trying to fish in the wind is very hard. But yeah, see if we can get. We are actually flying in this wind. We're going such a fast drift. Haven't got too much. Nothing like decent's actually hit the slimy yet. The butterfly slimy. So just hooked up on again on the drop. Literally as soon as it landed, hooked on. Another little flatty, I reckon. It's actually got a little bit of weight to it. It's actually got a decent amount of weight on him. Oh, there he is. Yeah, he's a nice little flatty here. That's, I reckon this one probably the biggest of the day. Stop going psycho. This one will be around probably mid-high 40s, I reckon. But yeah, there we have it. Nice little flatty here. Pinned right in the corner of the mouth. Look at that, beautiful. And it's just gonna come out just like that. Beautiful little flatty. He'd be a good keeping size, I reckon. Just get a little measure on him. Oh, he's literally pretty much on the dial. I'm gonna let this one go. Oh, that's a good fish. Just very, very, very good fish. I don't know. Just hooked on. This feels like a solid fish. Oh, no, it's just a bloody little flatty. hooked on again. That feels like a bit better. Feels a little bit heavier than the other flathead. It's actually got a bit of weight to this one, I think. Oh my days, how do I keep doing this? This is just another tiny, nice little flatty. See you later. Straight